Hello, my Reaper family. Welcome back. Today we're going to be playing a new game. This new game is Crossy Road, and basically I'm going to be telling you how to get this character, Coconut Water, and this character, Purple Bloop. Now, the first thing you need to do to get Coconut Water is have the tourist. So let's go click on the tourist and you have this beautiful environment. You're going to skippity-doo this way, skippity-doo that way. What you have to do is collect. Oh man, no. And actually, let's open up our free gifts. I actually haven't done free gifts in 6 hours. Okay. I actually haven't been doing anything of this game lately. What you have to do is collect. I'm a little bit rusty, just to let you know I haven't played this game. Collect these tiny coconut waters, as you can see right here. You have to collect 5 of those in one round without dying. That is exactly what you have to do to unlock the Coconut Water, and I only collected 3, but that's what you have to do to unlock this character, Coconut Water, which right here is Coconut Water. As you can see, you hop, and when you run out of the juice, as you keep hopping, the juice goes down. When you run out, it comes back up as a different color, or maybe the same color. It's pretty cool. I like it a lot. Okay, now, to unlock Purple Bloop, you need to have the Grappling, or Gablin, or whatever it's called. And what you have to do is, as you can see, there's like chicken levels at the top. What you have to do is defeat a level 30. Now, there is a trick, because it takes forever to unlock it. You click behind your rock as fast as you possibly can until you reach a level 30. Destroy a level 30, so yeah, it might take you a while to get there, but it is completely worth it. I actually made a new high score trying to get the Purple Bloop, and I think it is actually a guard level 30 that you have to defeat. Let's open up another free chest, 85 gold. But what you have to do, and then once you do that, you will unlock the Purple Bloop, which is right here. So right here's the Purple Bloop in gameplay. Very cool. Still has levels at the top, but is like a specialist character, I guess you could say. Okay, since we have the time, and ooh, that's a good one. That missile truck just reminded me of one. That missile truck. That missile truck, if you hit it with any character, it will give you Michael Boom. He blows up stuff. Hold on. That was not. He blows up things. He blows up a lot of things. And when he dies, blows up everything. So that is Michael Boom. If you guys want to see more how to get to Crossy Road, just let me know in the comment section below and subscribe for more. Goodbye.